Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction of integer and also the multiplication and division of integers. Okay. In a previous class we have learned about the integers. What is the definition of integer? The whole number together with the negative numbers are called the integers, and we have learned how to write in order of integers and what are the opposites of the natural numbers, and then we have learned the absolute value of an integer. So absolute value of an integer means the sign is regardless. We have denoted by a modulus, the simple modulus, is it? So these are all we have learned in the previous class. Okay, now we are going to learn about the addition multiplication and division of integers. Okay, that is operations of integer. Today we have learned. What we learned? Operations of integers. Okay, so first we have see addition of integers. Addition of integers. Addition of integer, we have used some rules. Okay, so add two positive integers. Add two positive integers, that is plus plus plus. Okay, so two numbers added. So two positive numbers added, we get the positive value. The first one. Okay, second one. Two different signs. Two different signs means one is positive number, another one is negative number, and second another one the minus plus. One is negative, another one is positive. We get, what we do in this place, subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay, these two kind of numbers is given. So what we do, subtract and put the greater numbers, put the greater number sign. Okay, so that is a rule. And final one, minus. Both numbers are negative, we get the negative. Both numbers are negative. We two negative numbers we have added, we get the negative value. To get the negative value. Okay, so these are the rule for the addition of integer. So when we have add the two positive numbers, two positive integers, we get the positive value. When we get add the two negative numbers, we get the negative value. Two different signs, two different numbers, two different signs means one is positive, another one is negative, or one is negative, another one is positive. We get which number is greater value, that number sign you should put, and subtract. Which operation in this place we have applied? Subtract. Okay, so the rule for addition and subtraction, common one. Okay, see, this is the addition of integer, subtraction of integer, the same one, plus minus plus. What we get? Subtract. So two numbers are positive. Two numbers are positive. So minus into plus. See, this is one of the example. Plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so here minus, here plus sign. Here minus, here plus sign. In this place we have considered the product rule. Okay, product rule means you have learned the next one. Okay, so minus into plus, plus. So minus into plus, minus. Okay, so plus 3 minus 5. So subtract two different signs. Here this one is positive, this one is negative, this one is negative. So subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract 3 minus 5. What we get? 2. The greater number sign is minus. So answer is minus 2. Minus 2. So subtraction of integer and addition of integers are same. Okay, if the both signs are same value, so plus plus plus. So two different signs will come, and as usual subtract and put the greater number sign. And then two negative numbers, minus 3 minus, operation is minus, here minus 5, here minus 5. Two negative signs will come. What we do? So here which meaning? So product. So minus into minus plus. So minus 3 plus 5. Here two different signs will come. Okay, so in this place what we do? Subtract and put the greater numbers. So 5 minus 3 is 2. The greater number sign is here plus. So answer is plus 2. Okay, carefully calculated. So what is the value? The plus plus plus, we get the plus. Two different signs, plus or minus. Or minus or plus, we have added two integers. Subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay, and then final one, minus. Two negative numbers, two negative integers we have to add, we get the negative value. Okay, I hope you are understood the concept of addition of integers and subtraction of integers. Okay, you will see the example related to addition and subtraction. So example 3. Add plus 6 plus 4. So the first one, two numbers in positive integers. Plus 6 is also positive and plus 4 also a positive integer. So both having the positive integer, we have add. So what we get? 6 plus 4, 10. The same sign. Put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. Different signs will come. Subtract and put the greater number sign. Put the greater number sign. That's it. How to draw the number line for this one? Okay. So integers, middle value was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, in this side, left side minus 1, minus 2, endlessly going. Okay, so plus 6, where is the plus 6? Here. Okay, so plus 6 plus 4. Plus 4 means we have add from the 6 of 4 positive integer added with 6. Okay, from the 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. So 6 plus 4, what we get? 10 plus 10. Okay, this is a number line for this addition. Okay, so what is the rule of addition? Add two positive integers, we get add positive integers. Two negative signs in a problem, what we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Otherwise, two negative numbers are added or two positive numbers are added. Put the same sign. Put the same sign and add. Okay, add and put the same sign. That's it. See another one of the example. minus 3 plus minus 4. Okay, here also the two negative numbers will come. What we do? Add and put the same sign. So what are the values? Minus. So add minus 3 plus minus 4 is equal to 7. So same sign. Add and put the same sign. Okay, so answer is minus 7. How do you draw the number line? So number line 0, 1, 2, 3. So negative values are given. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So from the beginning, what is the value? Minus 3. So here 0 to minus 3, after added with minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 3 minus 4. We get the minus 7. This is the number line for the addition of minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, and then example plus 6 plus minus 9. So two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Okay. So first plus 6 plus minus 9 is equal to two different signs will come. So first is subtract. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. The greater number sign, which one is greater number? 9. Which sign had it? Minus. So minus 3 is the answer. For this one. Now move to the subtraction of integer. One of the example. This is example 5. Now see the example 6. Subtract 5 from 12. 5 from 12. Okay, solution. From 12. So 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. Here two numbers in positive. The operation is negative. Okay. Subtraction means difference. Okay. So 12 minus 5. What we get? 7. The greater number sign is positive. So plus 7 is the answer. Okay. So see one of the example for number line. For the subtraction of, okay, for the subtraction number line. Okay, the first one is 12. Okay, 12 here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, here minus 1, minus 2. First one 12 from 0. This is 12. Okay, minus 5. So 12 from the 12 la irundhu enna cheyyuma 5 units idu pannum. So 1 2 3 4 5. So okay, so minus 5. So 12 minus 5, what we get? 7. Okay, I hope you are understood this concept. Okay, you will thorough in the concept. Plus two positive numbers or two negative numbers add and put the same sign. Okay, and two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. That's it. For the both subtraction and addition are common rule. Okay, and next one, example 7. Subtract minus 7 from minus 15. Minus 7 from minus 15. So how to solve? Solution minus 15, is it? From minus, operation is subtraction, so minus, already the number having minus sign. Okay, so the minus 15 from adula irundhu operation is negative, subtraction, so difference. So difference means subtraction, minus of which number? This is a negative number, so minus 7. So minus into minus plus. Okay, well, throughout the rule I have explained the rule for the product and division. Product and division having the same rule, add and subtraction having the same rule. Okay, so minus 15, minus into minus, plus 7, plus 7. So minus 15 plus 7 is equal to, here two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So 15 minus 7 is 8. The greater number sign is minus. Okay. Example 8. Subtract 6 from minus 10. Subtract 6 from. So solution minus 10 from, sorry, 6 from minus 10. So minus 10 minus 6 is equal to, what we do? Both having the same sign, so add and put the same sign. So minus 16 is the answer. That's it. Okay, an example. Nine. So 9, subtract minus 5 from 4. So solution four minus 5. Minus 5. So minus into minus plus. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. And next one of that, multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integer. I hope you are understood the addition and subtraction rule. What is the rule? The any numbers, that is integers. Okay, two integers having the same sign, add and put the same sign. That's it. Okay, and then different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract and put the greater number sign. Now see the multiplication of integers. Division of integers. So first one, multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers also we have follow the rules. Okay, so two positive numbers multiply, we get the positive value. Okay, any one of the number is positive or one number is negative. One number is negative, we get the negative. The minus into plus also minus. Two negative numbers will be multiplied, we get the positive. Okay, the same rule for the division. Okay, so division of two positive numbers, we get the positive. Different signs, two different numbers, signs. So negative number and positive number, positive integers is that we get the negative. Plus minus is equal to minus, and then two negative numbers are divide, we get the positive. We get the positive. That is a rule. Both having same one. Two positive is negative signs will become negative, negative. Two negatives are the positive. Okay, so what is our rule? Plus into plus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Both having the negative value, we get the positive. So, and multiplication and division, the same. For two positive numbers and two negative numbers multiply or divide, we get the positive. Okay, two different signs. One is positive, another one is negative, or another is negative, another one is positive. We get the negative value. That's it. For the both operations, multiplication and division. Okay, see the examples. Plus 6 into plus 3 is equal to plus into plus plus. 6 3 is 18. Okay, again 6 minus or plus 6 into minus 3 is equal to minus 18, or minus 6 into plus 3 is equal to what we get, minus 18, and then minus 6 into minus 3 is equal to plus 18. The same number we have applied here. Okay, so plus 6 divided by 3 is equal to plus 2. Okay, and then plus 6 divide minus 3 is equal to minus 2, and then minus 6 divided by plus 3 is equal to minus 2, and then minus 6 divided by minus 3 is equal to plus 2. I hope you have understood the concept of multiplication of integer and division of integer. That's it. Okay, so books, examples. Now see the book example 10. Evaluate minus 13 minus 7 minus 6. So as usual, first preference to the parenthesis. Okay, bracket lo ulladha simplify pannikano. Okay amma. So solution minus 13 minus, both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. So minus 13. Now here bracket means off. Okay, so minus into minus plus, minus 13 minus into minus plus 13. So both having the different signs. Here first one is both same number but having the different signs. So minus 13 plus 13 is 0. Is it opposite to each other? Okay amma. So we get the 0. And next one of the example 11. Subtract minus 5128 from 0. So 0 length is the subtract minus. So 0 minus, okay, minus, already the number has the negative sign. So 5128. What we get? Minus into minus plus. So 0 plus 5128 is equal to 5128. And next division. Example 12. Divide 4000 by minus 100. Okay, so solution divided by minus 100. It's a positive number, one is negative. So we get the answer is negative. So 2 zeros will be cancelled. So what we get? Minus 40. Minus 40 is the answer. And next one, example 13. So multiply minus 18 and minus 8. Minus 18 and 8. So solution, both have the negative numbers. So multiplying of minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So minus 18 into minus 8 is equal to minus. First put the sign. Okay. So product of negative numbers is positive. Okay. Minus into minus plus. So 18 8s are 144. 144. That's all. Okay. So what we learned today? We have learned about the addition, basic operation of integers. Okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Okay. What are the rules we have followed for the addition and subtraction? Any two positive integers we have put the same sign, add and put the same sign. Different signs will come, what we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Two positive integers or two negative integers are added, we get the same sign. Get the same sign and add the values. That's it. Different signs will come, what we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. That's it for both addition and subtraction of the rules. Okay. And next one, multiplication of integer and division of integers. Multiplication and division of integers. So what is the rule? Two positive integers are multiplied, we get the positive. Two negative numbers are multiplied. Okay, we get the negative. And two negative numbers are multiplied or divided, we get the positive. Okay, so multiplication and division of integers are rules are same, and addition and subtraction of the rules are same. You will thorough the rules, plus into plus, minus into minus plus. We have learned thorough this concept. We have solved the addition of integers and multiplication of integers or basic operation of integer we have solved easily. Okay, I hope you all understood the today concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.